away you go. It's just incredible. Just look at that production. I mean, that's 2 guys in just a couple days have done that work. I want to show you before and after. So here's the other side of the street. They're going to be going in next and doing this in here, but you can look in there and see, man, that's really dense. It's really too dense to walk through without, it's just brushy in there. You can imagine that those trees are probably not doing very well. There's a lot of competition for resources, water and nutrients, and it's a potential fire hazard too. If you got a fire in there, man, it's all bets are off. Let me show you what it looks like when they're done. So if we go over here to the other side of the road, look at that. That's incredible. And that's 2 guys sitting in a cab of a machine producing that. The trees are not barked, meaning they're not all scuffed up. They've left some of the larger ones. They're going to thrive. They're going to flourish. They're going to grow so much faster. You have, I mean, it looks like a park in there. It's just beautiful. It's just incredible to me. The amount of work, I can really appreciate that. Having cleared my own forest by hand to get it to that level is, it's just hard to believe. And the care that the guys take and how skilled they are running that equipment to swing around in there. And I mean, I can look all the way across here and I rarely see any little bit of bark knocked off. It's just amazing. Doesn't that look nice? So there.